So our last colonial region for this week is the Middle Colonies, and then on Monday we'll do the New England colonies. And the Middle Colonies will be very brief. We're just going to talk about two of them, New York and then Pennsylvania. So New York, if you remember, was originally New Netherlands because it was established by the Dutch under Henry Hudson. And under Dutch colonization, there were lots of different immigrants from a lot of different European countries that moved to New Netherlands or New York. And there was also a lot of religious freedoms. You could practice whatever religion that you wanted to. But in 1664, the Dutch and the English were at war with one another, and New Netherlands was seized by England and actually taken over, and the Dutch surrendered, and the colony was renamed New York. Part of the colony is later divided into New Jersey, and New York was used for trade. So remember, the Dutch founded New York as a trading colony, and the English will continue using the colony for trade. New York becomes one of the largest ports in colonial America. All right, Pennsylvania. So the Pennsylvania colony is sometimes called the Holy Experiment. It's founded by William Penn, who was a Quaker, and a Quaker is a religious person from the Society of Friends, and Quakers are typically nonviolent. Quakers opposed slavery. They'll be some of the first leaders of the abolitionist movement to end slavery in the United States. And William Penn believed that liberty was a universal entitlement, meaning that everyone was entitled to have freedom and liberty. He thought this should be extended not only to white men, but to women, blacks, and Indians as well. And so this is often why the colony is called the Holy Experiment, is because he's giving equality to a lot of groups who were not experiencing equality in the other colonies. So even though William Penn was a Quaker, he offered freedom of religion to anyone who settled in Pennsylvania, and Pennsylvania will prosper under William Penn's policies. If you look, here's a picture of William Penn, and then this is another picture of William Penn. So Pennsylvania and the Middle Colonies in general took the nickname the breadbasket colonies because of the climate and geography in that area were really good to grow things like wheat and grains and oats. And so William Penn became the Quaker oats guy because the Pennsylvania colony was one of the main breadbasket colonies in North America. So there's your fun fact for the day. William Penn is the same person as the Quaker oats guy. And that is it for the Middle Colonies.